Ara koutou e te wano e te iwi. We are live here at Te Wareorua Putahanga here in Taihauauru. We have Whai Deb Ngarewa-Packer, tuku whainekeke here with us live. Tēnā koe Whai Deb.
Kia ora darling. Ngā mihi kia koutou kua tai mai ki te rongo ki tēnei kaupapa. Ka whakanui tēnei kaupapa I te pōnei. So, yeah.
Oh, fabulous. Now, Whai Deb, you've just recently had your reception here with our wānau, your mum and dad, fire. We've got Dame Tariana Turia. We've got all of your whānau, Pātea Māori Club, Ngā Waihotanga. Please, Aunt, can you share with the people, how did that feel when you came in and you saw your whānau this evening?
Oh, extremely emotional. I mean, it's, first of all, I want to mihi to our whānau because these are the whānau when no one else believed in us, that turned up, flag waved, hosted billboards, dropped off leaflets, kept saying to believe in ourselves, believe in Māori, be proud to be Māori. And, I feel like, I know it's early stages, but I feel like any success that we get tonight is actually attributed to them and to you all, and to all of our whānau and to Taihauauru who believe that Mana Motahaki is the destination. That's what we're seeing today. And, you could see me. I was struggling hard to hold back the tears. So, yeah, it's extremely emotional.
Absolutely. Whai Deb, I remember being here with you the first time we were here for the elections. Oh, my goodness. What's so different? How, you've achieved so much over the last few years, Whai Deb. What is the huge difference for you, the vibe?
Yeah, I think first of all, I want to mihi te Rawiri and te Waiariki because had it not been for the strength of Waiariki, I would not have even gotten in. And I think the last 3 years, our people have seen themselves in us. They've seen us. Yeah, we've been really fresh. I know we should probably have been more professional, but I think, that's when you can see politicians and people in those roles that are like you and, as ordinary and grassroots as we are, it makes a difference. I think they also know that we will fight. And times are really tough for our whānau. So, yeah, I think we've been rewarded for the last 3 years, and the movement as a consequence has continued to grow and be unapologetically Māori. So, yeah, I think that's what we're seeing. I can't believe it. I mean, it's my best dreams come true. I was hoping and praying, which is what I was doing before I got here, and I think we're seeing it. And as Te Arapau, that's what I think we get rewarded with the kaupapa and be able to look after our kaupapa.
Beautiful. Auntie Deb, what did you do today? Everyone wants to know. What did your day look like today?
Okay, so it was the first time I've been home in a long time, and you can't be on social media. So I had probably 3 years of laundry and looking after the mokos, and I don't know where their mothers were, but so I was just being nan and being home, and it was lovely. And then went out in the rain, got my taonga blessed, and did a lot of karakia. Yeah.
Beautiful. Have you spoken with Rawiri and any of the other Māori Party candidates?
No, just before we came in, Rawiri and I, because he's just lost his mum, and there's been so many sacrifices, and so Rawiri and I just mihi to each other and told each other we love each other, and we were just hoping that all the hard work that we've seen, not just into Taihauauru, across the electorate, and you've seen the party with the smallest budget has been absolutely putting the energy and connecting with our whānau, and I hope tonight that's what we get blessed with is that tautoko. Yeah.
Now, Auntie, there are so many people watching and they've been waiting to hear from you. What are some words you want to share with the whānau that are watching tonight from the live stream?
Yeah, I mean, first of all, I want to mihi to Harate, Hipango, and to Soraya, Peke Mason, because, together the three of us made sure we ran a campaign that was about positivity. We were clean, we were whanaunga, and they are all community leaders in their own right. So I want to mihi to them for the way that we were able to make sure we upheld ourselves as whanaunga first and foremost, as wakapapa first and foremost. And again, I want to mihi to the blessing as Te Arepa to be able to have this kaupapa and, and hopefully get the tautoko. But just to our whānau, I know those of you who have stuck with us all this time, this is about you. This is about you tonight. And again, Mana Motahaki is the destination, and we can do this together.
We love you so much, and all the very best. The polls you're doing so extraordinarily well right now. How do you feel about that?
Oh, really great. I don't know how well I'm doing, so I'm just trusting you guys that it's doing well. So yeah. I know it's early in the night, but yeah, it's lovely to be part of a movement that is bringing life back into Tātata o Māori. So yeah, kia ora rā whānau.
Love you so much, Aunt. All the very best for this evening.
Love you all, whānau.
It's a whānau. So we're so lucky we've got to speak with Whai Deb Ngarewa-Packer live here at Te Wareorua Putahanga. I will join you again very soon. We'll be back with more live coverage here on election nights at camp for Deb Ngarewa-Packer. No reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou.